So I'm here with Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. We're gonna work on the Kimura standing. So this is when your opponent just takes, he doesn't have your back. He hasn't started to sink hooks in yet. He's just got back control where he could slam me. You gotta learn things when somebody gets your back, because it happens. I could be throwing a spinning back kick and he gets my back. Yeah. This is where he's gonna try to slam me. I wanna lower my weight. I don't wanna be here. Exactly right. Try to lift. See, I wanna lower my weight. What I'm doing is I'm grabbing the wrist as high up on the wrist as I can, and I'm slinking this through, grabbing my own wrist. Now, okay, this breaks it. Okay, turning out here. Now, I can make it a straight Kimura where I'm going against the elbow joint. Ooh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Or here, and this is tearing shoulder. But here's what's happening. That is the first step you have to do, everybody, is get that sink down. Don't get up on your heels at any point.
Nope.
As soon as they have your hips, as soon as they have you off the ground, you're done. So make sure and sink your center down.
Yeah, that's actually part of the idea of having a good solid kicks too, is that if you're up, and if I'm just gonna, I know you can take it.
Yeah, sure.
But if I'm up and I'm pushing myself away from him, it's when I am sunk,
It's gonna move me back. Yep, absolutely.
So it's all ties together.
Yes. Look, when I lower here, what that does. I can get up higher. I'm here. This would be more of the shoulder. Now, I'm gonna go real slow here, Troy.
Okay.
Go with me a little bit here. The more I get this tucked in here, his wrist here, that's shoulder. Okay? Cramming that wrist here. I'm not gonna do it very, very rough on the shoulders, everybody, okay? I'm not trying to take him down with this. I'm not trying to submit with this. And you're gritting your own wrist.
Here.
Yep. Now you're going out. Absolutely right there. See that?
And all I have to do is keep going. And I short stepped it. I could be around here.
Yep.
Right.
He's trying to turn. Okay, makes sense?
Nice.
This is, again, street only, guys, okay? My goal is not to mess up Full Gamut Defense Arts once. So far, I'm 2-0. But maybe not 3-0. We'll see.
We'll see.